Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can embed an article link in the post on your subreddit. Well, embedding an article link in the post allows the author to provide readers with direct access to additional information that supports the contents of the post. It enhances the credibility by showing where the information is coming from and encourages deeper engagement by inviting readers to explore the topic further. Now, let's embed an article link in the post. So go to create post and write your post. Then give it a title and assign a flair. Well, since the article is not about memes, I'm just putting it under other memes. Now just highlight the word or words where you want to embed your article link and then click on this icon and add your article link here. Then click on save. And here you can see that the article link has been embedded. Well, if you want, you can add an image too. Then click on post to publish the post. And whenever someone clicks on the link, he will be led to the article page where he can read the full article. And this is how you can embed an article link in the post on your subreddit. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.